Assalamu alaikum again, my dear students. You must say wa alaikum salam.
Alaikum salam.
Welcome for math session with your teacher again, Mr. Muhammad Salah. For lesson 4.6, as you see, find unit rates. In our today's lesson, we're going to talk about find unit rates. To find unit rates, you need to practice some division problems in our notebooks. So please bring your notebook first and write with me these questions. Excellent. The student who raised his notebook to show me I'm ready. Let's get started. Question number one. Question number one, divide. Divide what? Divide 72 by 4. I think it's easy question for practicing to lesson 4.6. Find units rate or unit rates. This is the title of our today's lesson, but before we start finding unit rate, I need you to practice. 72 divided by 4. How can I solve 72 divided by 4? I need one of you to help me. Saud, do you remember the way of dividing?
Yes, the long division way.
Long division, that's right. So I need to use this symbol. I need to use this symbol.
Yes.
What should I write inside this symbol?
72.
70.
And
the dividend.
And the left 4.
Or the divisor. How can I divide? Do you remember?
First thing, yes, I know it, teacher. We start at the left on 7.
Yeah.
Let's see, 4, 8. But we can't subtract 8 with 7, so we're gonna take 4. So we put 1 on the top.
Yes. 7 divided by 4 means how many 4s inside 7? You said 1.
1.
1.
Yes.
And 1 multiplied 4 equals 4. That's right.
Yes.
And you will subtract to find the remainder. What is the remainder right now from 7?
3.
3, that's right. So 7 has only 1 4 and the remainder is 3. Good job. What should I do?
And we bring down the 2.
Yes.
Besides
bring down 2. That's right. Right now you have 32.
Yes. Now let's do it.
Divide.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. It's the same number, teacher, as you see. So we're gonna take
20. You said 24.
24,
28,
and 32.
32. Yes. 32. What is the number of 32? Here, 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So how many 4s in 32?
8, teacher.
8.
And we put the 8 on the
8.
top, and we subtract 32 minus 32 equals 0.
0. So what is the answer right now here?
18.
18. Good job. Do you remember this way, guys? All of
Yes,
you, do you remember this? Thank you, Saud, for this solution.
Yes,
do you remember this? Do you understand?
I sent you the answer since you said the question. Yes, Mr. Very easy.
Okay, so please finish your handwriting here and let's solve another question. Let's solve another question. Question number 2. Finish, please, your handwriting quickly. Let's solve another question. What is the other question? The other question is easier than the first question, I think so. 27 divided by 4. 27 divided by 4. Okay, the second one here is Abdulaziz Ahmed. Abdulaziz. How can I solve this question? 27 divided by 4.
First,
use division symbol, long division symbol, 27 divided by 4. Huh.
So first, we see teacher the number. If it's big,
You need
bigger than the
okay, you need multiple number line. Okay.
yeah, teacher.
1
The first teacher 1
multiply 4 equals
4
2 multiply 4 equals
8
3 multiply 4
12.
12. That's right. We have one here, Abdulaziz. Am I right?
Yeah, teacher.
So we don't want this one. So we're going to use this one. Huh. Divide from left. Divide from left as always. Where should you start from? 2 or 7?
From 2.
2.
2.
Yes, 2. 2 divided by 4. You can't. That's right. So the answer is 0. You can't divide 2 by 4 students, for example, because 2 is smaller than 4. So 0. No one will take anything. So 0. Let's take a helper, 7. Right now I have 7. 27 divided by 4. Ask yourself, is there 27 here? 27, 27, 27, 20?
No, teacher, there is 28 and 20 closer.
Yeah, we're going to take a small number,
24.
a number smaller than 27 and closer to 27.
Yeah, so 24, teacher.
24.
And 1 and up 6.
6. 6 here means there are 6 4s in 27. Am I right?
Yeah, teacher.
Yes. So let's subtract. When you subtract, what did the
Yeah,
answer?
we subtract equal to 3.
Yes, 27 minus 24, the remainder is 3. Good job. Is there any helper from here to this 3?
No, teacher.
No, there is no remainder. There is no, sorry, helper. So 3 is a remainder. 3 is what? A remainder. So the answer is 6. Am I right? And the 3 remainder.
Yeah.
3, yes, 3 remainder. Am I right? Can I write the answer by this way? 6 and 3 divided by 4? 3 divided by 4. Can I write the answer by this way?
Divide. Yeah.
Are you agree with me? I can't hear you.
Yeah, teacher.
Yes, this is a new way or a good way, a right way, correct way for writing the answer. That's right. For writing the answer by this way, 6 and 3/4 or 3/4 or 3 divided by 4, no problem. Or 6 remainder 4, remainder 3, 6 remainder what? 3. 6
But teacher.
remainder 3. That's right.
Teacher.
Yeah.
But you can't like make the like maybe the 3 remain make it a whole number. You have to put it like the way like maybe the fraction you put like maybe 6 and then you put the 3 the whole number.
Yeah. 3 like a small number in a fraction. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the second question. What about the third question? What about the third question? Let us see the third question. The third question has decimal point. I need you to remember. How can you solve decimal division or dividing decimals? How? Have you finished your handwriting? Quickly, please tell me. Have you finished your handwriting?
Yes,
Okay. So let's write the third question here in another page, number 3. The question says 6 and 25 divided by 5. 6, 25 divided by 5. How can I solve it? Shari, do you remember? How can you divide decimal number by a whole number?
Yes, teacher, I do know. Yes, first we put the divide sign,
Yes.
then we write 6.25.
Are you sure? 6.25?
No, 20,
Or
20.
we're gonna ignore the decimal point right
Yeah,
now.
we are gonna throw the
Ignore
point.
the decimal point. Ignore the decimal point.
So it doesn't count cheating. Like it gets confusing.
Yeah.
So
So
we're gonna put
625 divided by 5. How can I find
Yeah.
it?
Now is 6 greater than 5? It
That's right.
is.
That's right. 6 divided
Yeah.
by 5. So what is the answer? How many 5
It's
inside
1.
6?
We don't have an answer to. We cannot. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
we
we're gonna
don't-
put 5 under it.
That's right. 6 minus
Now
5 equals
Right? Equals 1.
1.
Then
Bring,
we drop the 2.
yeah, bring down 2. So you have 12.
So we have
Divided by
12.
5.
Now what brings us to 12? 5 to 12.
Yeah.
So we're gonna multiply. 5 multiply 2 equals 10. This is the closest. We cannot add more.
That's
So it's gonna
right.
be 10.
So 2 multiply 5 equals 10. 10 is the closer to 12. That's right.
And the remainder is 2.
The remainder is 2. Good job.
Zero.
What should I
Oh,
bring down?
5.
5. So 25 divided by 5 equals?
25. So we're gonna keep multiplying.
Hmm.
If we multiply, it's gonna be 5. 5.
Yeah, 5. 5 multiply 5 equals 25. Good job. When you subtract, is there any remainder down?
No, we're gonna put 0.
0.
Mr. Why are you taking this, Mr.? It's so easy.
Yeah, we have studied this in the first
But we have
semester.
another one.
Do you
We have
remember?
another.
This question was in the first semester. Divide
Yeah.
decimals or dividing decimals. Here, what is the answer? What is the answer? What is the final answer, Mashari?
125.
125.
Is 125.
And the decimal.
Point, yes, point, Mr. Point,
Forget the point, teacher.
Yes,
Teacher,
Mashari.
teacher,
When
it's
you
one
ignore the point in the
1.25,
beginning, you
Yeah,
must
then
to
you
return the point. Number 2, divide like normal, and we
It's
divide it
original
like normal.
place.
Number
It's
3, return the decimal point.
Teacher, IDR.
After how many
teacher,
places?
IDR.
Okay, yeah, IDR, that's right. Where is the decimal point in that number, 125?
We put, teacher, the same number. We put it at the start.
So how many decimal places should you have according to
Only
decimal
2.
places? Only 2.
2.
So
Yeah.
1, 2, then
And then the
decimal
1.25.
Yes, 1.25. So the answer here is 1.25. Good job. I'm going to give you another example to check and give me the answer in my chat box. Okay? This is the last example in our notebook to start in the book. Let's see. 9 and 60.
Do I answer or Abdul Firas?
Answer in the notebook and tell me the answer.
Oh,
Write the
okay.
answer in the chat box. I'm waiting your answers. Please fast. Answer, then complete the handwriting of question 3 if you couldn't finish.
I finished.
Okay, write the answer in that box to see. What is the answer? I'm waiting. I'm waiting your answers in the chat box. Good. Oh, Abdullah Firas. Abdullah Firas, you got the answer, but you put the decimal point wrong. Muhammad Abdurrahman, excellent. Abdullah Salman, excellent. Who else? Who else? What is Saud answer? Muhammad Shihan.
Yes, teacher.
Where is your answer in the chat box? You are super and fast.
Mr. Did I get it
I
right?
will put it, teacher.
Abdullah, Firas, still not.
Am I correct?
Saud, put the decimal.
Mr. There is no.
Am I correct, teacher?
No, I need you to put the decimal point. Write the decimal point in the answer. Abdulaziz, Ahmed, good job. Who else? Abdulaziz, break.
Me, Mr. I got it right.
No, till now, no.
I
And no.
Teacher, I will go drink water.
Okay.
Am I correct now?
Abdullah Firas, right now you are right. Saud, no. Tikki Saud, how many decimal places do you have in the question? Abdullah Firas, right?
Oh, no, teacher. You Allah.
Don't forget it.
Yeah.
What is Abdullah Omar answer? Abdul Aziz break answer. Ibrahim, good. Oh, Ibrahim. You answered right, but the decimal point is wrong. Saud, you're wrong also in the decimal point. You need to fix the decimal point. You need to understand this point. So I'm gonna help you here. 960
Mr. No, I can come in the class.
What, Abdurrahman?
Mr. No, wait. I just now come inside the class because my network is so bad.
Okay, Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, you need to rewatch this video again in class era. Okay?
Inshallah. To do the homework with.
Focus with me, Abdurrahman, here. We're
Okay.
dividing 960 divided by what? 16. I ignored the decimal point. The question has decimal point. I ignored the decimal point. This is the first step. The first step. Second step, divide like normal from left. 9 divided by 16. Can you, Abdurrahman?
No.
No, so the answer is 0. I need a helper. 96 divided by 16.
Sir, I know the answer.
Okay, you know the answer. I
I know
need
the answer, Mr. It's
Answer,
6.
Abdurrahman. 6, let us check. 1 multiply 16 equals 16. 2 multiply 16, 32.
32.
3 multiply 16, increase 16
84.
plus 32. Yeah,
84.
48. 4 multiply 16, increase 16 plus 48.
What?
48 plus 16.
64.
64, that's right. 5 multiply 16,
Equal
80.
and 6 multiply 16,
69. 96.
96. 96 is here.
Yeah,
and
see,
that's
Mr. I told you. I told you, Mr. 6.
Great job, Abdurrahman.
0.6.
Yes, here 0, 0. And let's bring down the big 0. When we brought down the 0, we must divide it by 16 because we breaking down. Okay, Abdurrahman? 0 divided by 16 equals what?
What?
Abdurrahman, 0 divided by 16 equals what?
0 divided by 16. 0.
0, of course, yeah. 0 divided by 16. Why should I divide the 0 by 16? Because I brought it down. I brought this 0 from the big number down. So you must divide it by 16. And if you can't, so write 0. Right now, you finish the question. The question answer is 060, 060. Let's say return the decimal point.
Mister, don't forget the decimal point.
Yes, let's put it.
Put
After
it
how many
after the first
places?
zero.
After how many
After
places?
the first zero.
After one place.
One.
Yeah, after the first place, and the second.
Mister, the answer is 0.6.
So here the first place. Saud, Saud, first place here, second place here, which is 6, and the decimal point between 0 and the 6 here.
Mister, the answer is 0.6.
0.6, yes, the answer, or 60 if you put this at 0. If you ignore the 0, no problem. The answer is 0.6.
Mister, I want to make it simple. I want to make
Okay.
it simple.
That's right. Good job.
0.6 simple.
That's right. 0.6 simple in the simplest form. That's right, Abdulaziz. All right, guys. Do you understand the 4 questions? How can we divide numbers?
Yeah.
How can we divide decimal numbers? So let's finish our handwriting here and open the page.
I'm finished.
Have you finished everything, guys?
No, mister. Go back.
Yeah.
Go back, mister.
Okay, finish quickly, please.
Yes.
I finished.
All right. Do you need anything else?
No, mister.
Okay. So let's go to our page in the book. Here, in that page, unlock the problem. Let's unlock the problem together. The star fruit, or carambola, is the fruit of a tree that is native to Indonesia, India, and Sri Lanka. Okay, this fruit, can you see, guys, the fruit? This fruit is called star fruit because it's shaped like stars.
Like a star, mister.
Where is this fruit? In Indonesia, India, and Sri Lanka. Okay? The question says that slices of the fruit are in the shape of a 5-pointed star. All of these information. Come on, guys.
Close your mic.
Okay. Here, Lara paid $9.70 for 16 ounces of star fruit. So how much Lara paid? $9.60 for 16 ounces. Find the price of 1 ounce of star fruit. Let's find the price of 1 ounce. So what should I do right now? What operation should I use? Muhammad al-Shamrani, what operation should I use to find the price of 1 ounce? Muhammad al-Shamrani. Muhammad al-Shamrani, have you focused, Muhammad al-Shamrani, when I
teacher, what?
read this question? What operation should I use, Muhammad?
Divide.
Divide, that's right. Let's divide. Let's what? Divide, okay? Before we divide, I need you to read this with me.
Okay. Recall that a unit rate makes comparison to one unit.
To 1 unit. Yes, recall that a unit rate makes a comparison to 1 unit. The unit rate calculates the price of one thing. Do you remember? You can find the unit rate by dividing. Divide, Muhammad. So you are right. By dividing the numerator, denominator by the number in the denominator. That's right. So if you want to solve this, so you need to divide. In any empty space, please, my dear students, divide. Do you remember the answer from the notebook when we divide 9.60 divided by 16? Do you remember the answer? Muhammad al-Shamrani.
Yeah.
What was the answer from our notebooks?
0.6.
Yeah, 0.6. That's right. 0.6 or 0.60. 0.6 or 0.60. Okay, let's go down. Write a ratio that compares, that compares between what and what?
9.60 and 16.
Yes. Here, $9.60 to how many allowances do we have in the question?
16.
Yes. So here to compares a price to the weight. Am I right? When we divide by 16, everything, the answer becomes 0.60. Am I right? So
Yes,
the unit rate is 0.60 cents to 1 owens. Okay, the price is 0.60 cents. 60 cents per what? Per owens. So do you understand this question right now? All of you guys, do you understand? How can we solve? Abdullah, do you understand?
Yeah.
Go to the bathroom. Can I go?
Go quickly, please. But tell me, do you understand the lesson? You understand the question, Ibrahim? Abdul Aziz? Abdul Rahman? Ahmed Nim?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hassan?
Can I go to the bathroom?
So I can.
Yes.
Go quickly, please. Okay, guys. So
Drink water, mister.
you can
And
drink.
what's the homework?
What is the homework? Yes, that's
Don't finish, teacher. I don't finish.
finish quickly, please.
So I know it's the homework. Think central.
We
Easy.
have 2 minutes. We have 2 minutes to finish.
Okay, I finished.
1 minute, teacher. No, 1 minute to be exact.
Finish, teacher.
Okay.
Oh no, 50 seconds. We have 50 seconds.
All right.
Yeah.
If you want to practice, guys, go to share and show. Go to share and show. Here, practice question number 1. Question number 2. Okay. Question 4. Question 5 as a homework. There is no homework on Think Central. I'm waiting your pictures on WhatsApp.
Okay, teacher. If I forgot to send it on WhatsApp, you will just send it on. I show you it in class.
No problem. No.
Okay.
Teacher, do we leave?
Yeah, you can leave right now. See you inshallah next.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. My bed is calling.
Wait, mister, next week?
Call Hassan.
Mister, you said next week.
Another class is calling. Bye.
I don't